What's up everyone, I'm Astha here to review new beauty products so that you don't miss out on new beauty launches. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, add me on Snapchat, and follow me on Instagram. Also for today's video, I will be reviewing Vanessa times Juvia's Plays Vanessa collection that launched, I believe, like a week and a half ago, but literally the whole collection just got to my house a day ago, so now is the time that I get to make the review for that. I'm sorry that it's so late, but it literally got to my house very late. But I'm very excited to make this video for you guys, so let's just get on to the video. Wait, before we get on to the video, I just have a mini surprise look for you guys. I know I don't really do looks on my channel, but I was like, hey, why not? Like, I decided to do a really basic, easy, 2-minute everyday look for you guys, so stay tuned till the end. Now, let's get on to the video. Alright, so the first thing I want to test out is obviously the Vanessa palette and Vanessa by Juvia's Place. Yep, the name is... I think the name is Vanessa because, like, it says that everywhere, but it really doesn't have a name, like, an actual name for this palette. I guess it's called Vanessa. We're gonna say Vanessa. So I'm gonna open this. I did not mean to do that. I literally may have broken the palette, like the packaging. It came out in such pretty packaging and I literally broke it. Go me! Oh boy, now I'm breaking more. Okay. Probably just gonna end up throwing away the package because I don't like how it looks now that it's broken. Okay. Here's the inside, like the actual package of it. This is how it looks like. Oh, I'm trying to, like, there we go. That's how it looks like. Now, the inside colors are the most gorgeous things I've ever seen. It actually doesn't have any pressed glitter, which is so amazing. The most shimmery would be this one right here. So I want to swatch all these colors out. I'm really happy that this palette is very inclusive. Like, it has 6 colors, but it actually works on many skin tones, so I'm very happy about that. Now, I'm gonna test out one by one all of them. I think this is a multi-chrome. Yep, it's definitely a multi-chrome. Like, in person, it's a lot more pigmented than, like, on camera, and it's also very hard to, like, show it on camera too. But as you can see the multi-chrome. It has like a pinkish, like a golden pink and a brown tone to it, brown shimmer. So like it's like bronze and a pinkish, like a golden pinkish tone to it. I love that color so much. The next one is called Perfectionist. I'm just gonna put it on. Oh, this one's so shimmery, so pretty. It's a what is it? It's a pink shimmery shade. This is so hard. This is gonna come to you guys, but this is how that one looks like. Actually, I'm just gonna stand and do these. The next one is this is hard. But that's how that one looks like. Actually, it's pretty. It's really powdery, which is why it looks like little patches on it. It's not very creamy, but it's very pigmented, as you can see. The next one I'm gonna try out is Busy. Oh, the brown one was BSG. That's what it was called. So let's see how Busy is. Busy is a very light color, so I don't know if this will show on the camera. Oh, it does. Look at that. That's so pretty. It's like a base tone. It's very pretty. It's really good for professional looks. The next one is Stush. Ooh, okay. I love that color so much. That's my favorite color out of this. Like even over this shimmery tones, and you all know how much I love my shimmer. The next one is Aqua, AQUA. Oh, that's cute. It's not like, I don't know, it's not my favorite, but it's a cute tone. So that's how the swatches of those look like. Now they're all over my arm, as you can see. But I'm very impressed about this actually. But Busy and the two shimmery shades are literally the most pigmented shades ever. They're very creamy, they're flawless in my opinion. It's just my favorite one, which is this one, and the pink shade one isn't really that pigmented, but I guess you could build up the product, so that's okay. But I don't know, I'm a little bit disappointed in those two colors as they're not pigmented at all, but I guess that's how powder colors work. They're never really that pigmented. I'm just gonna move on to the look. Okay, so I'm gonna actually create a very basic-y kind of a look that you can actually wear every day, or like you can wear somewhere professional or anything like that. Not too glam today, because most of the colors on this palette are very basic-y kind of colors. So I just thought that it was a great idea to do something basic, because I mean you can kind of do a cut crease, but I feel like it wouldn't turn out the best. So I'm just gonna get started with the look. I'm gonna use Busy as my base undertone color and just kind of put it over my crease and on my eyelids like so. Just gonna do the same thing on the other side. This is a very simple, very easy 2-minute look. Like I said, it's very basic. You can wear it anywhere. And I'm gonna go out with like Stash because it is a little it's kind of powdery, but it is lighter than BSG. So I thought that that would be more simpler rather than doing the BSG. I'm just gonna kind of put it on the corners of my eyes, making very gently, using the brush very gently and kind of making really small circle, what is it called? Circular motions of the brush. By the way, the brush was Morphe E22, so that is that. And I'm just gonna keep on doing this until I feel like it's blended. Next, I'm just gonna use my fingertip for the last color. And I'm just gonna put it on the eyelids right here as like the shimmer color. And I feel that your fingertips are the best application for shimmer eye tones. Unless, of course, if you're doing it on a client, you might not want to use your hands on them. Then you can use like a flat patting brush and kind of take a little bit of the color from the palette, then spray like a setting spray on it, and then put it on here. Then that also works too. But honestly, your fingers are gonna be your best friends for makeup. So I'm just gonna do that. And then I'm just gonna use the same E22 brush, the same tone, and then kind of blend the shimmer and the, Stash together. The shimmer was extra, by the way, the color of it, so I'm just gonna blend extra and Stash together on the corners of my eye, and that's how it should look like. Lastly, I'm just gonna put a winged eyeliner and put fake eyelashes on, do the same thing on this side, and I'll come back to you when I'm done with that. Alright, so I'm back. This is what I did with the eyeliner. I actually did something to make it like less of a, drama, because you don't want something like that for every day. So I just put like the eyeliner, did a really small winged eyeliner, and then put it halfway through my eyelids. Now I just realized that every day you're not really gonna wear fake eyelashes, or like professionally you're not gonna want to wear fake eyelashes, because that's a big no-no for professional makeup. So and what I mean by professional makeup, I mean like if you're gonna wear like a suit or something like that, and you know, wear like a professional dress and you want a makeup to go with it, you're not gonna want to wear fake eyelashes. Like imagine going on an interview and then having fake eyelashes on. No, that's not good. So I decided to wear Maybelline's Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect mascara on, and for the eyeliner I used Rimmel's Micro Point eyeliner, but I also bought that like 5 years ago, so I don't think they have that anymore. Maybe like online on their stores, or online on their store, but not like in stores. So that's that. Now I'm just gonna put this on. I'm also gonna do that off of camera because it is very hard to do mascara when you don't have a mirror right in front of you. Alright, so I'm done with that, and now lastly I'm just gonna finish the look with Juvia's Naomi lip gloss from the Vanessa palette. Now before we get started with that, I just want to say that even though if I said that the colors were really patchy when I was swatching them on, when I used the blush and blended those same colors in the powder matte ones, they did not like make a problem. They were not problematic at all. They actually blended in so well. The coverage, the powder was so like buildable. It looked so bad on the swatches, but as soon as I put it on, I was very happy. I was very happy with how it turns out, and like literally, can you ever go wrong with Juvia's palettes? That's never gonna happen. Now I'm just gonna put my Naomi lip gloss on. Just looking at the color though, it does look like it's very, like it's not creamy at all. It's very powdery, but let's see how it is putting it on. Like I said, I don't want to make assumptions and then be like, oh, this is the perfect one ever. I'm actually gonna look over there to see where I'm putting this on. Although I'm not gonna lie, I love how small their application is. That actually really does help me putting this lip gloss on while not having a mirror in front of me, if that makes sense. There we go. I love this lip gloss. I love how nude it is, but it has like a pink undertone to it. Honestly, I have a lip gloss just like this by Tarte, and it does not suit me at all, but this suits me perfectly. I'm very surprised by how it turned out. Like the lip gloss isn't too, what do you call it, like too much on your lips. It feels perfectly, it feels very lightweight. Eyeshadows applicated perfectly. I don't have a problem with how the application goes with the eyeshadows. I really thought they were patchy when I was swapping it, and I was like, oh boy, like I made a mistake buying this palette. But no, that's not the case. I love this palette. I know you guys think that I always say I love the palettes, whatever I buy, but I genuinely wouldn't want you guys to buy something that I would think is not like good. I would say it up front if it was not good. Like when it started patching on my swatches, I told you guys like I don't know how I feel about it, but afterwards, like using brush, blending it in, it works perfectly. I would rate this palette, I'd say 8.5 out of 10, because I do think that they could have gone with the colors that they had. I think that they should have done like more colors, like more BAM kind of y colors, not neutral colors, so I could do like a look that's more like BAM rather than something that you would wear every day. But I guess that's what it is, right? Like that's what Vanessa kind of, her thing is, like her zone kind of thing. So I guess that's how the palette is portraying. It's portraying Vanessa and how she likes her makeup to be like. So yeah, I mean, like every single palette that Juvia's have, they have like a different kind of a thing, and I really do like how different every single Juvia's palettes are. So like I'm not complaining with this. It's really different from what Juvia's always go with, because this is very neutral, whereas Juvia's palettes, a lot of them are just like BAM, or like those pop out colors, or like glitter, and this one is none of that. And I kind of like that Juvia did something like that, because knowing Juvia, their colors are insanely like amazing. You can't go wrong with them. So I'm very happy they made like a neutral color for that. So yeah, that makes me a happy Astha. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making this video for you guys. If you liked videos where I teach you guys how to do some of the looks that I've done in my videos or anything like that, comment that down below, and while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and like. Also add me on Snapchat and follow me on Instagram. And last but not the least, I love you guys so much. Bye!